Today, I'll be reviewing the Bachmann slate trucks. Each box contains 3 trucks and 3 pieces of slate. So I bought 2 boxes. Bachmann has pre-weathered them and given each a unique shade of grey. There is also a pretend wooden floor made out of metal. The trucks have large couplings, but these are very good at their job. Now here is a slate. The slate is the same plastic mould on each piece, but if you rotate them, they look more varied. Here is what it looks like coupled up to the rest of the train. Now I'll share my final thoughts. I believe these are amazing models and are better than the more chunky Pico ones, so I rate this an 8 out of 10. Next time I'll be reviewing one of my standard gauge models.